We live and work in a place of many extremes. We have high mountains and very deep, cold fjords. Our nutrient-rich clear water is also home to an abundance of prawns. Every morning our fishermen go to catch the prawns 300 meters below them, where the temperature never exceeds 2 degrees. While our fishermen are often at the mercy of the elements, our prawns never are. They're cleaned, cooked, salted and packed within 2 hours of being caught, locking in the Lyngenfjord flavor.
Det är ju en tuff fjord på grund av vind och vär och vinterstid så här. Men det går nog det. Vi frestes nog till att vara där. Så ja, det har varit goda fångster där.
Later, they checked again and packed for delivery at our Harborside factory. Including the prawns that we hand-peeled, specially for some of Norway's finest chefs.
It's kind of like the ocean. It's a bit salty and it's the best quality you can get. And that's why we use it.
It's the sweetness of the shrimps, also the saltiness, because they are perfectly salted. They are big, they are moist, they peel very good, so it's easy to work with for us.
The Lyngenfjord quality means our customers are getting perfect prawns, all with the same freshness, size, color and crispiness.
Det veldig gode reker, det sjelden dårlig kvalitet på dem. Og for kundene det veldig viktig at det Lyngenfjordreker, at det lyngenreker vi har, for det et kvalitetsstempel.
We live and work in a place of many extremes. But when you taste our prawns, you will understand why.